Today we're going to make a butterfly. Hi, my name is Ashley. Today we're going to try and show you how to make a butterfly. It's kind of tricky. Let's get started to it. Step number 1 is you draw the body. How you do it is you do a dot and then you go like this and then go back and get and now. Step 2, you draw the eyes, dot, dot. Step 3, you draw the mouth. Step 4, you're going to draw the wings. Watch me. You go like this, and then that, and then that. And now, we do it. Step 5, you put the antennas on, like this. Now that we've finished drawing our butterfly, we're going to decorate it and color it in. And it has to be symmetrical. So draw the same thing on both wings. This is what my butterfly looks like. Would you like to try it? You can do one just like it. If you wanted to, you could cut it up and hang it somewhere or give it to your grandma. If you want to see more of my craft videos, click here. Remember to subscribe to my QuadSquad channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!